Assalamualaikum everyone. Today with a new scholarship video. If you remember my last video in which I guided about you a Government of Ireland International Education Scholarship Program, and now they announced on the last week, January 29. So who can apply in this scholarship? In my last video, I already told you that all students are eligible for this scholarship, like for master, PhD, diploma holder, and if bachelor students can also apply, but they can apply directly in the university, not in the scholarship portal. So if a bachelor students want to apply, so they can apply in the university. So if for this program, first I will guide you a little bit information about the scholarship and what kind of documents you need and how you can make up your account on the portal, and what's the last date, what's pros and cons in this scholarship. Let's start a little bit overview of the scholarship. The Government of Ireland International Scholarship Program, it is normally known as GOI and IES, support high caliber international students who wish to study at NFK level 9 or level 10. And what is NFK level 9 or 10? These are basically master, diploma, and PhD and postgraduate studies program. They also mention here. This program is funded by Government of Ireland in partnership with Irish Institute Higher Education Institute. And if you want to apply in this scholarship, before you have to apply here. So in my last video, if you wanna know that how you can submit your application in the university, so I will give you a list of universities and I will give you a video that how you can submit your application in the university. Or if anybody have a conditional letter, offer letter, any notice from any Ireland university, so you can submit your application here. What is included in your scholarship program? A Government of Ireland International Education Scholarship consists of stipend amount of 10,000 euros for 1 year of full-time study at NFK level 9 or 10. The awardees host higher education institutes are required to give a full fee waiver to the awardees for the year of the scholarship. For example, because most of the universities in Ireland, they offer a 1 year master program, so they will give you a 10,000 euros for as a scholarship stipend, and your total tuition fee is waived off, and your tuition fee will be waived by university. That's why I told you that a bachelor students can directly submit their application in the universities, not in the government portal. So government portal only offering for a master, PhD, and a diploma holder students. They mentioned about a 1 year, but in their call, because PhD is not a 1 year program, PhD is a minimum require 3 years. So after 1 year, you have to submit your report in the government portal, and the university will help you to calculate all of your data, and still you can get for a second year 10,000, and university will provide you a tuition fee waiver. Almost 3 year you will get a full scholarship for as a PhD students. And who are eligible for this scholarship? In order to eligible for a Government of Ireland international scholarship, you should be outside of EU and EEA, Switzerland, and United Kingdom. Otherwise you are not eligible for this scholarship. How to apply? You can submit your application on the main portal. Assessment process, you should be a record of outstanding academic achievement, excellent communication skill, participation in extracurricular activities, and in lot of informations. Key updates. So the last date is to apply to submit your application is 12 March. So you have almost 29 days to submit your application here. Contact information: if you have any kind of query about the scholarship, you can submit your email at this email address: goies@hea.ie. Okay, so here they mention some documents that like call documents, update information, indicative application form, appendix, and a help documentation. For example, if I give you some a little information about that, how they, I already told you the overview, the detail of the scholarship. So here I will show you that how you can extend your scholarship. Like if you see here, the scholarship will not be extended beyond one academic year. However, host HEI may decide to extend the fee waiver for courses that are 3 semester long. So you can look at here, if your degree is not a 1 year or more than a 1 year, so your university, your institute can extend your can extend your scholarship. Like you will get a fee waiver of a course that are 3 semester long to cover the entire duration of the courses. So mean your total your courses will be covered under scholarship. That this decision rests with the HEI, and 10,000 yours amount of stipend will remain the same. So again you will get the stipend. So GOI scholarship will expected to commence their studies in the either September or October. They must also live in Ireland for the duration of their study. An official awarding event will be held in spring 2027. What is the eligibility criteria? They mention about a TOED program, degree program, which is at least 1 year long. I already told you in the Europe side, the master program is almost 1 year old, for a 1 year long. A postgraduate diploma NFKL 9, which is at least 1 year long. Research program like a research master and PhD, which is at least 1 year long. Not have previously held the scholarship, not be a Russian or Belarus citizenship, so they are not eligible for this scholarship. Other all of the international countries can apply in this scholarship program. So I already told you that before you should have a admission or acceptance letter from a university. So what kind of universities are offering these programs? So before going that, so what is the evaluation criteria? Academic qualification, achievement, and work experience is mean that your 40% personal statement. You can see that here your degree, your courses you were previously just graduated from a university, they will cover a 40% only, and your personal statement is 45 marks. So personal statement, if you want to know about a personal statement, you can just write it on a Google that what is a personal statement. And they mentioned that what you have to write up in a personal statement, the benefit of becoming that, uh, how they will extend themselves beyond their project studies to become actively involved in Irish society, the extent to which they have a long-term interest in Ireland. So they divided 45 marks in 15, 15, and 15. And 15 marks is for the reference letter or recommendation letter. You need two recommendation letter. You have to submit by application portal. Two reference uploaded by the online application portal. The HEA will not accept reference submitted outside the online application portal. So guidance for referee is available in appendix 2, so you can read those information. Country of origin, purpose of assessment and award process is a proposed study cycle of applicant, institutional capacity, field of study of the application. So you can also read all of the information here. So they mention many things for a student, so it will be easy for you. Okay. And some question student mostly raise that if you have any question about like age, they mentioned that what is the higher education authority, and who can apply for this scholarship, they mention here. And in the wake of Brexit, then how do I know my domiciliary for origin? Are you a Russian and Belarus can apply? No. Are you asylum seeker? If you are asylum seeker, still you are eligible for this scholarship. Yes, however, the same eligibility criteria apply to asylum seeker and refugees as to all other perspective. Any age limit they mention? Is there a age limit for this scholarship? No, there is no age limit for the GOI-IES scholarship like government of Ireland educational scholarship. So there is no age limit. Are higher education institute from Northern Ireland eligible? No, they are not eligible. So they have a lot of questions here. You can read this section, and where you can download that information. Like they mention all of the things here. You have to download all of the documents, and you can read all of the information. And also you have to write up your purpose of study, your study plan. So you can just click on that one in indicative application form, so they will help you that what kind of information you have to provide it during your information. Like I will show you a little bit here. Like a part one, you have to complete your all of the information, and they will show you check up by eligibility. And the second portion they mention about here, list of your work experience, your personal statement. So they mentioned that the personal statement you should have maximum 500 words, 500 words, and 500 words. And reference letter, they I already told you that you have to submit two reference letters which should be online. And if you now most important things is that if you wanna apply the university, because you need an offer letter to apply on this scholarship, any conditional letter, just I already made a video on it, so you can check my YouTube video, like University of Galway Ireland scholarship. So University of Galway is also included in this program. I will just show you my video that how you can find that one, how to apply for University of Galway scholarship in Ireland 2026 guide. I guided all of the things that bachelor students, master students, and PhD students can apply on this scholarship. You can just go there and you can find the application link of this university here, and you can directly submit your application, and you will get your admission or notification just in some days. And if you remember in my video, I also mentioned about this scholarship that it will open later in January. This one you can look at here, Government of Ireland Education Scholarship. They will open later, so I will mention. So you can just check my video on it, so you can apply a university application too. Okay, so now, so the second thing is that how many universities are involved in this program. So just move toward a list of universities. So University of Dublin, Minus University, National University of Ireland, Galway University. I just show you a video. Trinity, most of us don't have Trinity College, College of Cork. And those who want to apply in technological universities, so Atlantic universities, Munster University, Southeast Technology, and for colleges, Mary Immaculate College. So these all of the list of the universities, colleges are included in Government of Ireland scholarship. So you can just search their name on the Google. They will give you, submit your application, and you will get an admission letter or notification in just 1 week. Or later on, you can apply on the scholarship. So just watch a video from A to Z. Otherwise, you will be confused information. Or if you need any kind of documents, or you want to book a one-on-one meeting with me, you can just check any video on my YouTube channel. Just click on the description menu. You can check that, schedule a meeting with Calendly. But before you book a meeting, you have to read all of the rules first, because it's not a free. And download, if you want to download any kind of research proposal, that you can say that is a universal research proposal, or you need a template, you can just download it. You can put your information, your research proposal is finished. And if you need any kind of recommendation letter template, you can download it. It's basically made on the base of European scholarships. You can download it, and you can just write up your name, your institute, and your recommendation letter will be finished. So you can just download that of things in the in the description menu. In the description, I have attached all of the link of these documentation. You can check up a video. Okay, let's move toward the application portal now, that how you can submit your application. Just click on apply now, and after apply now, they will open up that you have to make an account on it. And for after making up an account, it's so easy to make up an account. Just put up your email, your password, and finish. I already checked that I am eligible or not eligible. I am eligible, but I will show you that how you can make it eligible. Just click on another application, and you can submit. If you almost have submit your application in 3 universities, 5 universities, you can make up 1, 2, 3, or 5 applications in the same portal. It's not a difficult thing. Just open it. You have to write up your personal information, like for example, I have to write my name, my address, my preference, email, date of birth, and name of HEI in Ireland where you have been offered a place to study. I already told you that you have to write up the information, that you have conditional letter and offer letter. And after that, you have to click on application eligibility. For application eligibility, they will just ask you about 3 questions. If you are outside UK, EU, and EEA, you have to click in yes. Do you have conditional offer letter? You have to click on yes. Have you already received a Government of Ireland international scholarship? You have to click it no. And after that, you have to submit it. Click on mark complete, and after clicking on mark complete, you have to submit your application. and you have only 29 days remaining to the submit. But before you submit your application here, you have to check all of the question. After submitting, after almost a half an hour, they will give you a this portal, because they will check that you are eligible or not eligible. Because I am eligible for that, I just click on it, and after half an hour they will give you a this page. In this page you will get all of the information that further how you can submit your application in such a way. Like for example, detail of offer. After two questions they will give you a this page for eligibility, and you have to add up your academic work history, personal statement and references, and declaration and signature. Personal detailment, if you check that this has been submitted, you cannot change anything in personal detail and application eligibility. Now you have four more steps to complete it. The first step is detail of offer. Just click on it, and in the detail of offer, if you have a University of Galway, University of Trinity, any other university in Ireland who are included in the government scholarship, you can put up information like write up your student number, level of study, course titles, field of study, type of offer is a final or conditional. You can check it both, or here you can upload your documentation. And after that you have to move toward a second portion, academic work history. In academic work history, yeah, you have to remember one more thing, that this is they have almost a 40 marks. The following section outline key evaluation criteria, and the scoring system is total 100. So from 100 you have your academic history have a have a 40 marks, and you need almost 60 marks to achieve this scholarship. So it's very easy to achieve this scholarship. So you have to write up your information about your previous education, and any achievement, any publication, any project you did in your previous graduation institute. You have to mention all of the things, and after that you have to write up a statement and reference letter. In a personal statement, you can they mention that there are about 45 marks for personal statement. So 40 marks is for your education, for previous education, and 45 marks for your personal statement. I already told you that you have to divide all of the things 15, 15, 15. 500 words for each question you have to write up clearly, and you have to write information about your reference letter, name, their position, their relation, their email address, and you have to upload the reference letter here. Your professor didn't submit a separate reference letter, you have to upload it. You can simply go to your professor, visit your professor, and just take a sign a stamp from your professor and upload the recommendation letter here. After completing this section you have to move toward the other part, and the other part is about declaration and signature. This is the last part basically. You have to read all of the information and sign up, and you have to write the name and your date and then mark complete. After every step you have to click on mark complete, and your application will be completed. And here, you after completing all of the information, you will see that it will be green. Then you have to click on submit, and your application will be submit. But you cannot change anything after submitting your application. So better is that check all of the information first and then submit your application. So share this video with your education circle, that all the people who have a offer letter, they can apply. Once again, there is no application fee, and you do not require any kind of eyes to submit here. And some universities have different criteria, you have to check by yourself. And bachelor students can submit their application in the university directly. So Allah Hafiz.